Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review one of the most popular health drink brands in India, that is Complan. And today we are going to review the latest Complan which is available in the market, which is Complan 2X, which gives you 2 times more growth, is what the company is proclaiming right now, that it gives you 2 times more growth than before. And they have also mentioned that this is the best ever formula of Complan which they have come out with. So today we are going to review this product and see and unbox this product for you all. So the product that I have is a Complan, the royal chocolate flavor. One is the one I have purchased, and yeah, so the packaging, coming first to the packaging of the product. The product comes in a jar, which is packaged in a jar, which has the right in front, it has a Complan branding right here. Then they have the royal chocolate, which is a flavor as mentioned here. Then since it's a chocolate flavor, they have the brown colored chocolate flowing here. They have shown the chocolate flowing here, and then right in front they have a child who is standing here, and then they have shown a measurement scale behind him. So yeah, this is the packaging. It looks pretty neat. The packaging looks neat. They have kept the original Complan yellow color to keep the brand's identity intact. And yeah, moving on to the what are the benefits of Complan? What are the benefits your child will get from Complan? What they advertise is basically 2 times more height and weight, or 2 times faster growth in children. So why do they say that? Let's look at what are the ingredients that, what are the nutrients that Complan provides. So Complan provides with nutrients that will help with height and weight gain. Basically it provides energy, which is 419 kcals of energy. It has 18 grams of milk protein. Then there is 11 grams of fat. Saturated fats is 2.5 grams. There are no trans fats in it. You get 62 grams of carbohydrates, and then various other vitamins are present in it which will help the height and weight gain in your child. Moving ahead, it also supports the immune function because it contains vitamins like vitamin A, E, vitamin C, copper, zinc, selenium, and molybdenum, which all help in supporting the immune function of the body. Like it increases your immunity, and there are less chances of your child falling ill. It also helps the brain development and its functioning because it contains minerals like iodine, iron, vitamin B12, folic acid, and choline, which all help in the brain development and the brain function. The next thing that it has is it maintains fluid balance in the body through the contents of sodium, potassium, and chloride. So it also has the necessary salts that the body requires, like sodium, potassium, and chloride in it, which help to maintain the fluid balance in the body. So overall, this is a complete health drink for your children. Basically, do not treat it as a meal replacement. This is not a meal replacement drink. It is a additional health drink along with the daily diet that the child should take to achieve the 2x growth, right? So if you think that if your child only takes Complan and doesn't eat his food, he's going to grow 2x, that's not what the company claims. So what the company claims is the child will attain 2x growth only if he is having a well balanced diet along with 2 glasses of Complan daily. So only then you will see a 2x increase in growth. Like I mentioned, it contains 34 vital nutrients which I just discussed with you all. And the protein that this product contains is 100% milk protein. There's no other type of protein involved in it. It is 100% milk protein. It provides 2 times faster growth and improved weight, supports immunity, improves memory and math ability in children. So a lot of benefits from the new Complan. Uh, the daily intake recommendation is 2 glasses of Complan a day. Uh, Moving on, coming to the price of the product. So this jar is a 200-gram jar that I have purchased, and it is priced at rupees 115. So the MRP of the product is rupees 115 for a net weight of 200 grams. Coming to the ingredients, let's look at the ingredients of the product. So this is a dairy based beverage mix, and the main ingredient here is milk solids. 54% of the powder is milk solids. So 54% of Complan powder is just milk solids. Right? That's where all the milk protein is coming from. Then it contains other ingredients like sugar, peanut oil, caramel, minerals, beetroot red, vitamins, and many other things. It also contains fermented natural colors and added flavors, which is chocolate. And the warning of allergens, like it contains milk solids, peanut oil, may contain traces of nuts, wheat, and soya. So if you are lactose intolerant, Complan is not a product for you all, because 54% of this powder is milk solid, and lactose intolerant children cannot have milk. So avoid Complan if you are lactose intolerant. If you have nut allergy, it's better you consult your doctor before taking in Complan, because Complan may have a few traces of nuts and meat. So if you have nut allergy, also make sure that you consult your doctor before starting your kid on Complan. Well, let's go and open this box and see how does the powder look itself. So they have a twist cap opening jar here, so we can open, and you can see that it is completely sealed here. So it comes completely sealed. If this seal is broken, do not take the product, you should return it, right? So if the seal is broken, do not take the product. Oh, before I forget, the shelf life of this product is 12 months from manufacturing, so it is best before 12 months from manufacturing. And yeah, that is the shelf life of the product. So let's go ahead and open the product. So we'll just open the seal up. I actually use a scissor to just cut open and do it. So I opened the product, and I'm just going to take a spoonful and show you how Complan looks. How does the powder look? So here is a spoonful of Complan. It has brownish color, and you can see there's a bit of whitish sugary look in it because there's sugar in it. So if your kid has type 1 diabetes or any other sugar related diseases, do not start them on Complan before consulting with their doctors. So always before starting any health drink for your children, make sure you'll consult a doctor to clear out any risk of complications. So yeah, so you all saw the powder is brown in color. It has traces of white color sugary substance in it. So there is sugar in it. It's not a sugar-free drink. But Complan is a complete health drink for children, which will ensure them to grow well, and it will fulfill their dietary intake, like whatever nutrients they require and the vitamins they require, which is not fulfilled by the food, will be fulfilled by 2 glasses of Complan a day. So make sure, before you start your kids on Complan, make sure to consult a doctor if you are worried about any allergens or any lactose problems. So it's better to consult a doctor before you start your kids on Complan. So this was my review of Complan. What I'm going to tell you next is how to use Complan, how do you make Complan and give it to your child. So you just need to take 2 tablespoons of Complan. You all can either mix it with water or you all can mix it with milk. So you'll need 2 tablespoons of Complan, mix it in 150 ml of milk or water, and then you can serve it to your child twice a day. So that was my review of Complan. It has a nice sweet chocolatey flavor. If you guys have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.